Mr. Bledsoe, it's amazing to meet you for the first time in person. Just one question for you. We have 4 witnesses testifying here today. Is there a single question you'd like to see the House members ask the witnesses in particular?
A question. I don't know if I have a question let's say, how soon are you going to believe these guys and make it public? Because this is real. This whole thing is real, and it's time that everybody takes it serious and just get past the questions of it being real and just move the ball down the court.
And do you have any hopes for this incoming administration moving this forward?
Yeah, I think the phenomenon is growing louder and bigger into our lives. The more that we are aware of it, the more it's going to be interacting with us. We'll be more aware of it, right? It'll make itself known.
Right.
And so I think this next administration may just be forced to tell.
Forced?
Yeah, I think the phenomenon is going to force the issue. I really do.
Wow.
It's going to get louder and louder until everybody pays attention to it.
Well, I hope to see you around in more of these things because I think we're going to have more hearings, especially from seeing just what's happening now. But your story is one of the most important ones we have as far as NHI interacting and such things. So I appreciate your time and thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.